Hey
Hello.
guys, hi guys, back to Mason Moore's channel. We're gonna post 2 videos, I guess, because our camera quit out on us because apparently
It shorted out.
Yeah, it shorted out, storage stuff.
That happens a lot on my phone with my
Yeah.
YouTube.
And then wait, you don't have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I know.
But so first we will be showing you the puny baby one, which is really sucky. Okay, so this one was like,
And that one had to go on the truck that takes little trucks and makes them.
and we'll put the ones that are done right in the basket.
Hey, the ones that are jumping are also right here.
Yeah, that one was also jumping.
This is the doggy one.
Yeah, we call this the doggy mobile. We'll put that one back where this one the mini grave digger.
Yes, that one's
And then this one always was like woo, and did what its daddy always did. And then the doggy right here
Yes.
always was.
We call that one Clove.
Yeah, we call this one Clove because I have a dog named Clove. We always had a dog. We have a dog named Clove, and we have another dog named Sigmund, but we call it Clove because it's very.
And that's his favorite dog.
Yeah, and this one always skidded. It was like whoo, always on the ramp, and you could see like tire tracks from where we played. And
No, we didn't really play with it because but we played with it a lot.
yeah, we played.
But
with
the point with the thing was to show that it was a cool ramp and it made lots. It made us play with it a lot. So we tried to make it look cool.
by putting prints on it, so we just technically took this grave digger right here.
Yes.
And we just was like.
We also took the Hot Wheels one and went
Yeah,
all
we took
over
both of them
this.
to make it look
And
like it had trucks.
And
Wait.
guys, watch this.
Yeah, you go. You just go. Well, so those two. So put both of those in the basket. Oh, my knee. Look at my knees. They're all mud.
I know. Look at my shoe. And when you're next to this, your pants get really dirty.
Yeah.
So you could take our idea. We don't really care.
Yeah. And then.
And we'll put this in the description.
Well, what? The idea?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Yeah, we'll put our idea in the description, and we'll show you 3 more monster trucks. And then we'll end the video because, yeah. And so this monster truck, we always just pushed it like that, and it just did that always. So we'll put that one in there. And then this one, we always, like there's a tiny piece of coal right here. He tried to make it stick out a bunch, and then he went over it like a huge bump. And then he hopped it, and then he was like, whoop. And then
So that's his new move. Is
Yeah.
whenever that's there.
Oh, and this grave digger, he always went up to this side and was like, meow. And then he always takes tiny pieces off the truck, which is bad. And then this one, we always made it go like this.
We called
We call it the school bot. We call it like
we called it the Kid Smasher.
yeah, we call it the kids.
Cause instead of it picking up kids, it crushes kids.
Yeah.
With its giant wheels.
Yeah. And then this one doesn't really go good because the wheels suck.
Yeah,
But
it doesn't have
when
good.
hits the
It
bottom.
doesn't have good traction. It just really sucks. Cause look at those wheels.
Well,
They
it has
suck.
a tiny bit of traction, hardly any.
Yeah, but
So-
not as much as the Grave Digger.
The grave digger has a bunch of traction. I even had to peel a bunch of dirt off of it. So, well, next we might make like maybe a couple more videos, but see you in the next video.
Hold on, but we have
Wait, what?
the same shoes right here.
Oh wait, yeah. We should have shown that in the first video that we made together.
Yes.
Which was the nasty one. We both have the same shoes,
Yes.
which is pretty cool.
I got mine first though.
Yeah, I just got the idea, and Yeah, we just got the same shoes and everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
It was pretty cool. So that's why he's filming for me and everything on my YouTube channel. So.
And also, that's also because I'm your friend.
Yeah, and he's being really nice.
Yes.
Yeah. So.
And next video we might have a story time of all the things we've done together.
Yeah. Well, actually, yeah, we'll do that in the next video.
Yeah.
Which won't take actually that long. So, see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye! Bye, guys.